How to apply at enrollment centers, a step-by-step walkthrough. Enrollment centers are crucial hubs for various governmental services, from obtaining identity documents to enrolling in social welfare programs. Applying at these centers can sometimes seem daunting, but with a systematic approach, it can be a straightforward process. Below is a step-by-step guide to help you navigate through the application process smoothly. Step number 1. Determine the purpose of your visit. Before heading to an enrollment center, clarify the purpose of your visit. Are you applying for a passport, driver's license, voter ID, or any other service? Knowing this will help you prepare the necessary documents and streamline the application process. Step number 2. Locate the nearest enrollment center. Use online resources provided by government agencies to locate the nearest enrollment center. Websites or mobile applications often have a feature where you can input your location and find the closest center along with its address and contact details. Step number 3. Check the operating hours. Enrollment centers typically have specific operating hours. Ensure that you plan your visit within these hours to avoid inconvenience. It is also a good idea to check if the center operates on weekends or public holidays, as this may affect your scheduling. Step number 4. Prepare required documents. Different services require different sets of documents. Gather all the necessary paperwork beforehand to avoid delays or multiple trips. Common documents may include proof of identity, such as a birth certificate or previous ID, proof of address, utility bills or rental agreements, photographs, and any specific forms or applications required for your service. Step number 5. Fill out forms if necessary. Some services may require you to fill out forms before visiting the enrollment center. These forms are often available online on government websites. Fill them out accurately and completely to expedite the process once you arrive at the center. Step number 6. Arrive early. On the day of your visit, aim to arrive at the enrollment center early. This will give you ample time to complete the application process without feeling rushed. Additionally, arriving early may help you avoid long queries if the center tends to get crowded. And speaking of crowd, may I humbly ask you, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. It means the world to us. Step number 7. Follow security procedures. Enrollment centers often have security procedures in place, such as metal detectors or bag checks. Cooperate with the security personnel and follow their instructions to ensure a smooth entry into the center. Step number 8. Submit your application. Once inside the enrollment center, proceed to the relevant counter or window for your service. Submit all your documents and forms to the designated officer. Be prepared to answer any questions or provide additional information if requested. Step number 9. Pay fees if applicable. Some services may involve fees or charges. If your application requires payment, be ready to pay the necessary fees at the designated payment counter. Ensure that you have the correct amount in the required currency. Step number 10. Collect receipts and acknowledgement. After submitting your application and paying any applicable fees, make sure to collect all receipts, acknowledgements, or any other documents provided by the enrollment center. These documents serve as proof of your application and may be required for future reference. Step number 11. Follow up if necessary. Depending on the service you applied for, there may be a waiting period for processing your application. If you haven't received any updates within the specified time frame, do not hesitate to follow up with the enrollment center. You can inquire about the status of your application either in person, via phone, or through online portals if available. Step number 12. Receive your documents or services. Once your application is processed, you will be notified to collect your documents or avail of the service you applied for. Return to the enrollment center within the specified time frame to receive your documents or complete any further procedures required. Step number 13. Provide feedback. After completing your application process, consider providing feedback to the enrollment center regarding your experience. Government agencies often welcome feedback as it helps them improve their services and address any issues faced by applicants. By following these step-by-step instructions, you can navigate the enrollment center application process with ease and efficiency. Remember to stay organized, prepare all necessary documents in advance, and remain patient throughout the process. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Remember, Positivity is key, so keep spreading those good vibes wherever you go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our future content. Until next time, stay awesome and keep shining bright.